Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Science Sutra. In this video, I will be dealing with the practical part of acids, bases and salts. See here, in order to do the practical part, I have taken some substances, okay, which you can see now. Okay, here I have taken the turmeric solution, which I will use that as an indicator. Okay, and I had taken some lime water. Okay, I had mixed lime in water, so I had taken some lime water, and I have prepared some salt solution also, and I have taken the China rose. China rose is nothing but the hibiscus flower, which I dipped that in warm water so that it will release some color to that water. Okay, that colored water I will use that as an indicator. One more indicator, which is called as a natural indicator. Okay, that two indicators, using two indicators I will find out the substance, whether it is an acid or a base. Okay, and I have taken lime as well as orange, and I have taken some baking soda also, and I have prepared some soap solution also. Soap solution I have taken, and I have taken vinegar also, and some soda. Okay, using all these substances, okay, using a turmeric as well as China rose, I need to find out which substance is called an acid and which substance is called to be a base. See, in my last video, if you see that video, you will can easily find out an acid as a base. And base, how you can find means, if you dip the blue litmus paper in an acid, it will change the blue litmus to red. Okay, in the same way, if you dip the red litmus in a base, what happens? The red litmus paper color changes to blue. Okay, in this way you can determine that substance is called to be a base or an acid. In the same way how the litmus functions in knowing an acid or a base, in the same way I am using the turmeric solution as well as the China rose solution to find out an acid and base. First, I will take an empty beaker like this. Okay, in this I will take a little turmeric solution. Okay, I will take a little turmeric solution. To this turmeric solution, I am adding, okay, I am squeezing few drops of citric acid, few drops of lemon juice. Now I need to see what happens to this. See, if you see this, I hope your turmeric indicator, it is not at all changing its color. Okay, it remains same before and after adding the acid. Okay, and one more, I will orange. I am squeezing juice of orange into this empty beaker. Okay, and now what I need to add? I need to add the turmeric solution to this. Okay, I am adding and I am mixing the turmeric solution into this orange juice. If you see this, you can observe that the turmeric which I added to this orange juice is not at all changing its color. It remains same. That means, what I can conclude means, when I am using the turmeric solution as an indicator, if the substance is called to be an acid, then the turmeric indicator will not change its color. It remains the same. Okay, that I can conclude. If you want, you can. I am using the lime water to this empty beaker. I am adding little lime water. Okay, now what I will add means, I am adding the turmeric solution to this. Okay, what happens means, if you observe this, if you observe here, the turmeric indicator which I took, which I added to this lime water, what happens, it changes its color to red. That means it reacts with the substance to form a red color. Okay, so the opposite of this is base, right? A substance is called to be a base when it reacts with the turmeric, and it will change its color to red. If it does like this, then that substance is called to be base. Why I told direct. Okay, next, soda. Okay, little baking soda to this empty beaker, and then what I will add, again I will add the turmeric solution to this. What happens, if you observe this, it is slowly it is changing its color to red. Okay, it is slowly changing its color to red. Okay, I will add little more of baking soda to this. Okay, and I will add little water. If you observe this, it already changed its color to red. Okay, I hope you can see this. It changed its color to red. Okay, if I add the baking soda to this, vinegar, I am adding this. I am adding the empty beaker. To this empty beaker I am adding the vinegar. Okay, then what I will add, I will add turmeric to this. I am adding the turmeric. If you observe this, it has not at all changed its color. It remains yellowish only. So I will call this vinegar as an acid, right? When we have when we add the vinegar, okay, when I add vinegar and turmeric solution, it doesn't changes its color. So this substance, that is vinegar, is called to be an acid. This empty beaker, okay, and to this soda, what I am adding, I am adding the turmeric indicator. Okay, if you observe this, it has not changed its color. It remains yellowish only. So I will say this soda, drinking soda, comes under the acid. Okay, now what, okay, I am adding this empty beaker. To this empty beaker I am adding little soap solution, and now to this soap solution I am adding the turmeric indicator. Okay, if I add, you can see this, it remains yellowish only, right? That means I can say the soap solution which I took is called to be an acid. Okay, this is how we can determine the substance is an acid or a base using the turmeric indicator. Okay, now I can say, okay, I can differentiate the substances which I took as an acid and base, right? This vinegar which I took, okay, it doesn't change its color when it is added to the turmeric solution. So this vinegar is called to be an acid. And the drinking soda which I took, this is also an acid because it doesn't change its color. And what else I can take? I can take this citrus fruits, right? Citrus, lemon as well as orange. it comes under the acid because it doesn't change its color of turmeric indicator. Next, that's it. Okay, now when I add this to lime solution, what happens to this lime solution? What happens to this lime solution when I add the turmeric indicator? It changes the color to red. So this lime solution comes under base. And if I add this to baking soda, this baking soda also comes under the base. Okay, which I took, it is also an acid, right? So I can differentiate the substance now as an acid as well as base because of using the turmeric indicator, right? Now what I will do now, I will take one more indicator and I will find out whether it is an acid or base, right? When I use the litmus paper, right, when I use the litmus blue as well as red, how can I determine that as an acid or a base? See, if I am using the blue litmus paper and if I am putting that in a substance, if it changes that blue to red, then only I will say that substance as acid, right? And if I use the red litmus and if I adding that to a substance, if it changes that color to blue, then I will say that substance as base, right? In the same way, if I use the turmeric indicator, how can I say? If it is an acid, it doesn't change its color, right? It doesn't change the color of the turmeric, okay? And if it is a base, then it will changes the color of turmeric to red. So I will differentiate the acid and base by seeing the color of the substance after it is made to react with the turmeric. In the same way, I need to take now one more indicator, that is China rose. How I prepared this means, I need to take the flower of that hibiscus, I need to put that in a warm water. After some time, it will changes the color of that water. That water I need to take as an indicator. I am taking the empty beaker. To this empty beaker, what I will add? I will add the lemon juice. I am adding the lemon juice. Okay. To this lemon juice, what I will add means, I am adding lemon juice. Okay. And I am adding this China rose water. What happens? If you see this, it slowly changes the color to pink. Okay, this water is pink in color. Okay, I hope you can see this lime water. Okay, to this lime water, what I am adding? I am adding the China rose. I am adding the China rose water. What you can see here? You can see green color, right? You can see greenish color, right? So if it is a base, it will change its color to green. I hope you can see here, green color. Okay, baking soda here. Okay, now what I am adding? I am adding the China rose here. China rose water I am adding. Okay, what you can see here? Yes, it is green in color. If you can see, this comes under base. Okay, okay, I am taking the orange juice into this empty beaker, and to this I am adding the China rose. Now what you can see? You can see here, it is clearly visible, it has changed its color to pink, right? I hope you, okay, so I will say this orange juice is an acid, right? Now if I take the vinegar also, it will change its color to pink. Okay, I am adding the vinegar to this empty beaker. Okay, now it has changed. Now it has to be changed its color to pink. Can you see the pink color here? Yes, pinkish color. So this vinegar is an acid. Okay. Okay, this drinking soda. Okay, and I am adding this to this empty beaker. Okay, now what I will add? I will add the China rose water. What should be the color of this? It should be the pinkish color. You can see here, it is pink color. Okay, so this is also an acid. I am using this sugar solution. Okay, now I am adding the China rose here. What you can see here, can you see any color to this? I hope you cannot see any color. It is not at all changing its color, right? Actually, whatever the color that solution has, it is not showing that color. It has neutralized that color, right? So you can say this as an or it has neutralized the color of China rose. Okay, you can